So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this eye look right here. It was super easy, and I used the Tarte Roasted palette, and I love that palette. The colors are so easy to apply and it's so pigmented. There is a little bit of fallout on the palette, but not so much on the eye. So I hope you guys enjoy and keep on watching. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear in the shade 25. Then I'm going to go on my Morphe contour and highlight the Henderson and blend it out. And for my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia tinted brow gel. And use that on my eyebrows just to give it a little bit more color. Okay, now I'm gonna take a spoon and then just brush them out. And now I'm gonna go in with concealer and clean it up. Okay, so for the top of my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of the foundation and carve out the top. Okay, so for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Tarte Toasted. I'm going to go in with the shade Cashmere. And put that on my crease. So now I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with the shade Warmth. And keep it on the outer V of my eye. There's a lot of fallout on this palette. Alright, and then with a smaller brush, I'm going to go in with Cozy. And then just keep it on the lower part. The outer corner, but like in a smaller V. That makes sense. But I'm gonna go ahead and take Candle with my finger and put it on the inner corner. Well, not on my eyelid, like the inner part of my eyelid. And then I'm gonna go back in with, oh shit, and then I'm gonna take Cozy, blend it out. Okay, now I'm gonna go on my concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my face powder and poke it on, or I'm not baking. Going in with my Morphe palette and bronzing my face. I'm gonna go in with Feisty from Tarte as my blush. Back in with my Morphe palette. I'm getting close to the nose. I'm going to go with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Matte. This one you gotta really shake well, or else you're gonna get white spots. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel and set my eyebrows really quickly. Okay, I'm going with the Master Chrome highlighter. Highlight my brow bone. Okay, I'm too lazy to find the eyeshadow palette, so I'm just gonna go in with some bronzer and put it underneath my eyes. My lower lash line. So you can put falsies on, but I don't like to wear falsies, so I'm gonna go with mascara. This is the Colossal Big Shot. Okay, for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Italia Deluxe 730 Natural Lip Liner. I'm gonna go in with the KKW by Cosmetics in the shade Kimmy. Alright, so that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.